Hi, Kuya. For our second part of exam, who is this painter?
Vincent Van Gogh.
Among these paintings that you already painted, what is your favorite? And tell me why. Why did you like it?
The bedroom.
The bedroom. Why? Why is it your favorite?
Because it's the same as my bed. Not the same to my bedroom, but very close to my bedroom.
What did you like most about that picture? Among all the paintings that you painted this quarter, Kuya, what do you think about Vincent Van Gogh's creation?
Pretty good, and
What do you feel about that picture? Why did you like it?
it's because it's close to my own bedroom.
What do you like most about that painting?
The paintings or the designs or the architecture.
Did you like the colors?
Yep, very much.
So now our task is to paint this one. You look at it and then we will try to paint it.
Paint it. This one. There.
Okay, you advance one step. Malapit na tayo sa ending. Okay. Okay, what can you tell about this painter naman?
Juan Luna is a Filipino painter.
And then, what can you see in his paintings?
It's perfectly good then.
What's your favorite among three?
España, Filipinas.
Okay, why that paint?
Very good, and
What emotions arise from seeing the paintings of Juan Luna?
it's happy. No, so it's not happy. These both are sad, but this one's happy.
Why?
Because I can see the sunset, and also two women walking together on golden stairs and flowers behind them, and also in front.
What will you do if you're inside that picture? How do you feel? How will you react?
I'll just go home back again. I'm gonna go up the stairs and then see the sunset and then sit there for eternity.
So what can you tell me about that story?
The magic of Apomeo is first Apomeo Apomeo was a giant. Nobody could see him. And then all of their mothers would say if they don't eat their breakfast, they don't do their homework, they would say Apomeo would eat you, and then they did it. Yung homeworking, they ate. And then they said that Apomeo was only glad when he said Iwes or Iswes. The thing is that they all clapped, and after that Apomeo said Iwes. More thing Teo small things can turn into big a big thing, like even big. It doesn't matter if something small and some, because when Pio just picked up like some trash and put it in the trash can, Apomeo said Iwes, and he heard a lot of times Apomeo said Iwes. He turned all of it to the class. The class said, ha ha ha, only Apomeo would say Iwes with big things, like when constructors made the load, other things. What's delay?
What is the relation of it that small things equates to big things? How can you apply it in you?
Like when I did every day, do math, but but in pollution, if you like, put like something in the sea, it'll go bigger. It will grow bigger and bigger.
The first step in
is
cooking
to-
rice
is-
is
is to put rice in a bowl and then wash it 2 times and then let it dry, then put it in the rice cooker and then turn it on. Done.
how many water will you need to do?
Up to your finger,
Where? What finger?
right here,
And then
you put it all away the water, and then after all of that you put it in the rice. Maybe I just add a bit of
vinegar.
vinegar, yeah. Add a bit vinegar. Or
And then what will you press?
you will press the button to on the cook and then done. Just wait. Wait for like 10
How about
minutes.
pancakes?
Again, it's easy. First you grab 2 eggs, put 2 egg yolks in a bowl, and then swirl and swirl it, and then put the flour, and then mix it, and then after that you let it cook like first. After you swirl and swirl it, and after you put the flour, you put butter in it, milk, and then spin it again. And then after that, it becomes batter that you put in the pan like a perfect circle or like a love heart in case you have shapers. And then just let it cook. Try not to, overcook it. And then you get it out, then you got a pancake. You might want to add some maple syrup or maple syrup with butter on top.
Write your full name. Now it's your favorite part, Matt.
Yes.
Okay, what will you use if you want half of the item if you will divide it
Division.
for Dylan and Doki?
Division.
Okay. So for example, this library, we have 200 books. I want to divide it in half. Half for Dylan and half for Duke. So 200, what is the equation now?
200 divided by 2.
Can you put it in writing?
Okay, so
$100. Now, when we want a library where there are 100 books for each of your family member, how many are we in the family? How many?
4.
Okay, so we want 100 books per family member. So 100, what is the equation now?
100 divided by 4.
No, we will not have it into 4. We want 4 times of this.
It's multiplication. So, I know.
So kuya, if we have 400 books, Kuya Duki, we want every day to read. Every day for the whole October, your birth month. How many days do we have in October?
31.
So you want to read a book every day. What will you use? 400? And then how many books will you add for starting October 1?
Use addition.
So 400. What is the equation? Go.
400 plus 400. There is 31 days in October.
So how many days will you add to 400?
So
that is the gift. 1 book for the whole October. So how many books will be added to your library? What's the answer, Kuya?
Sure. 531.
Okay, now we will deduct the books that mommy will sell. So if I will sell 31, what will you do? The 431, we will what?
431 minus 31.
Okay, can you solve it? Okay.
What?
Write the number 5,366.
5,000. Three. 366.
Apo. Okay, correct. Tell me another name for 1 and 3.
4.
Okay. How many things are 3 Legos, 2 lollipops, and 1 water bottle? 3 Legos, 2 lollipops, and 1 water bottle. How many?
6.
Okay. So, if a hen had 6 chicken babies, 6 chicks, but some rats killed 2 of them, how many chickens had she left then?
4.
Okay. Count the numbers by 2s. 2 up to 20.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay. By 5s, 5 to 50.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay. Can you turn your eyes upon Jesus using the
Yeah.
sign language?
Yeah. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look for in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will glow strange. Lead him in the light of his glory and grace. Yep.
Can you remember some Spanish words?
Aguas.
Okay, what does it mean?
Water.
What else?
Konnichiwa.
What does konnichiwa mean?
Hello.
In Konnichiwa is?
in Japanese.
Okay. Can you tell me the body parts in Tagalog? Huh? You know some things, the face parts.
Ilong.
Oh, you point.
Ilong.
And then?
Mata.
And then? And then? What do you remember? You don't. Okay. Name your family members.
Mommy Ju, Didanis, Rodriguez Torres, and Daddy Don, and Duke Rodriguez Torres. That's me.
And then can you tell me what is the proper noun and the common noun in the names that you mentioned?
The proper noun is Duke Rodriguez Torres, and common noun is brother.
Okay, what else? The mother. Mother is?
Julian Rodriguez Torres.
Mother, is it a common noun or a proper noun?
Common noun.
Okay, so what is a noun?
A noun is like a word, thing, or idea. The name of a person.
What else?
A thing.
What else?
An idea.
What else? Where do you went to the vacation?
Beach.
That is a
Thing.
no, it's not a thing.
Idea.
No, it's not.
It's a place.
So Bohol, is it a proper noun or a common noun?
Common noun.
Bohol, the name of the city.
No. I meant proper noun.
How can you know that it's a proper noun?
Proper
It is
noun.
spelled with what letter? Capital or small?
Capital.
A common noun has small.
Letters.
So if I say Mind Museum, is it a proper noun or a common noun?
Proper noun.
Can you tell me something about Dr. Dolittle?
Yep.
Okay, go.
First, Dr. Dolittle was trapped in the cage of Africa. Polynesia was. All of them said Polynesia's small enough to go through the bars, and then we must know that she has escaped. But then Polynesia came out of Dr. Dolittle's pocket. I'm not that kind of bird, he said. He said, I'm small enough to go through the bars, okay? So then he said, I wanna check on to the king. And then, because one of the messenger of the monkeys, told them that almost all of the monkeys were sick. So then, when he went to Africa, he got trapped by the king because he said some white man stole his gold, not him. So he said no white man allowed knock.